station. This is ESA PAO Jules Grandcir. How do you hear me?
Jules, I hear you 5 by 5. How do you read me?
On t'entend très bien, Thomas. Bonjour.
Well, Thomas.
Et je
Hello.
laisse la parole tout de suite à Jules
And
Lavie de France Info.
I will turn the word over to Jules Xavier of France Info.
Bonjour et merci beaucoup
Hello.
Thomas Pesquet
Thank
d'être
you
avec
very
nous
much,
sur France
Thomas
Info.
Pesquet.
Nous sommes à la
Here we
veille
are
de
from
l'élection
France Info.
présidentielle.
We are
Comment
on
vous allez faire
the
pour
vigil
pouvoir
or
voter?
the eve of the French election for president.
Eh ben, c'est une très bonne question. J'ai fait
What
une
do you think
procuration
about it?
avant de partir, 6 mois à l'avance.
Well, did
Il
you
fallait un
vote?
petit peu de
Well, it's a
prévoyance,
very
mais je
good
pense que c'est
question.
important.
I actually
Il faut
voted in
il faut aller
advance by
voter ce
proxy.
dimanche. Et puis, il faut
It's,
pas se
we
tromper
should
de
vote
question.
this
La
coming
question, c'est
Sunday.
pas est-ce que vous êtes satisfait de la classe politique actuelle ou
And the
qui
question,
auriez-vous souhaité
of
avoir au
course, has to
deuxième
do
tour.
with
La
whether
question,
or
c'est
not you are
c'est deux,
satisfied with
qui
the
préférez-vous comme président de la République? Moi, c'est comme
with
ça que je
the
vois.
with the performance of the current political class or not.
Julien Mock.
Vous avez déjà 2 sorties dans l'espace,
You've already
Thomas.
been out to space
Finalement,
twice,
la
Thomas.
troisième qui était
This is
programmée
your
ne
third,
sera
which
pas pour
was
vous,
planned.
pas trop déçu?
You haven't been too disappointed.
Non, c'est pas grave. Ce qui est important, en fait, c'est
No.
que
What's
c'est
important
qu'on
is
fasse ce qu'il faut pour
that
que
we
le
do what is
programme de la
necessary
station spatiale marche bien dans le futur.
to
Donc,
be
je pense
sure
que
that the
c'est
space
important
station
de
works
partager
fine in
cette
the future.
expérience-là. C'était prévu que cette sortie arrive pendant que Shane,
We were planning,
qui était
it
commandant de
was
l'expédition
foreseen that
soit
this
encore là. Finalement, elle a été retardée et
exit
ça
from
donne une
the
chance à Jack Fisher, mon
space
camarade de
station
promo, de faire une sortie extravéhiculaire. Je trouve que
would
c'est
perhaps
formidable.
be
Il est vraiment hyper performant. Je
temporarily
pense que ça servira beaucoup
delayed.
ensuite pour son travail au
I
sol,
think that it's
pour
going
ses
to be.
futurs vols. Donc, moi, je trouve que c'est hyper positif.
I think there's a very positive aspect to this that we are able
Vous venez
to, in
d'évoquer
fact,
Shane
make sure that future
Kimbrough qui est reparti sur
exits
Terre et
from the
puis
space capsule
l'américain
will
Jack
work.
Fisher que vous connaissez bien.
Space
Vous avez
station.
changé d'équipier il y a 2 semaines.
You know
Comment
Mr.
se passe
Fisher,
l'acclimatation
very well, the
à
American.
bord?
You changed equipment or a team
Écoutez,
2
ça
weeks
se
ago.
passe très bien, mais c'est
How's
vrai
it
que c'est pas
going?
une question triviale parce qu'en 6 mois,
It's going very well, but it's not a
Jack
trivial
et
question
Fyodor Yurchikhin,
because
c'est les
in
deux
6
seules
months,
nouvelles têtes que
Jack
je vais
and
voir.
Fyodor
Donc c'est vrai que c'est un peu étrange quand on y
Russians
pense. Mais non, ça se passe très bien. La phase A3 était assez calme. On avait la station
we
gigantesque.
work very
juste
well
devant nous,
with a
donc,
team
on
of
pouvait faire un
3.
peu ce
It's a
qu'on voulait.
gigantic
Et
space
puis finalement,
station,
maintenant,
plenty
on
of
est
room to
5.
work in.
Ça apporte un peu de sang neuf. Eux sont super motivés parce qu'ils
When
viennent d'arriver. Donc,
we
ça
are
remotive
5,
cette formation pour moi.
actually our
Donc non,
performance
ça
is
marche très bien.
enhanced
Et puis on
because
se
they
connaissait
come with
d'avant. On
great
s'est entraîné ensemble.
deal
On
of
est bons amis,
motivation.
donc
We
je
have
pense qu'on
trained
fonctionne,
together,
parfaitement bien quand
and so
on
we
se
work perfectly well together as a team.
Depuis le début de la mission, est-ce qu'il y a eu des moments de tension avec les autres astronautes? Est-ce que ça arrive?
Since the beginning of the mission, have there been moments of tension with the other
Écoutez, non,
astronauts? Does that happen?
C'est vrai que j'aimerais presque vous répondre oui, parce qu'après les gens ne croient pas, mais non, on est.
I feel like I'd like to almost like to answer yes, because otherwise people may not believe me. But the truth is, we work very well together. Tension is not a factor here in terms of interpersonal relationships. As long as everybody does his job at putting things always correctly in the same place. Each of us makes an effort to adapt to the requirements of the space station and to working with each other and to doing our own, performing our own assignments.
Sur Terre, on découvre chaque jour vos photos, les photos que vous faites depuis l'ISS. Est-ce que vous avez conscience de faire un peu d'ombre?
Discover every day photographs that you've been making from the space station.
Alors non, je pense pas. Enfin, c'est pas la même chose. Ces photos.
Do you ever get bored taking the same pictures? No, I don't think so. Because there's a lot of detail that we can focus on.
La prétention d'être un photographe. J'ai débuté.
I don't pretend to be a photographer.
C'est un bien grand mot en tant que hobby, photographe du dimanche, en arrivant ici dans la station spatiale. Il y a encore tellement de choses que je sais pas.
When you arrive in the space station, there's so many things to do. But in your spare time, if the spirit moves, you might as well take some photographs.
Lui, c'est un vrai bon photographe et je pense que vous serez épaté par ces photos qui sont beaucoup mieux que
And one of the other astronauts is an outstanding photographer. I think you'll be very pleased with his photographs when you see them.
Est-ce que vous pensez avoir suscité des vocations chez les enfants?
Do you think that you have stimulated children to aspire to a vocation as an astronaut or in other ways related to the program?
La mission, mais c'est sûr qu'on y pense que moi, si je peux faire passer le message qu'il faut bien travailler à l'école.
Well, I'm not sure whether it would necessarily relate directly to performing a space mission, but if I could pass along to the kids the understanding that you have to do well in school.
Donc moi, j'essaie de leur dire tout ça, c'est positif, c'est pour vous.
All of this, of course, is a positive aspect of our being up here in our ability to hopefully influence the younger generation of students.
Ou le domaine de l'aéronautique est celui que moi j'ai choisi, mais il y en a plein.
There's so many areas that you can specialize in. Mine was aeronautics, but of course there's so many others.
Aux jeunes et leur faire comprendre que c'est possible, que rien n'est facile.
I want the younger generation to understand that everything is possible. Nothing is easy, but it can be done if you apply yourself.
Une question beaucoup plus triviale. En début de mission, vous avez dû réparer les toilettes. Est-ce que tout va mieux de ce côté-là? Pas de grosses pannes dans l'ISS?
A much more trivial question. When you first arrived, you had to fix the toilets. Have they been working properly?
Le centre de contrôle, tous les gens qui travaillent au sol, ainsi que les astronautes.
Well, you know, with the help of people working from the Earth, and also in conjunction with the other astronauts, we were able to resolve that problem. Something that we had to do as soon as we got here, of course. First assignment, make sure that the toilets are properly working. We spent the first weekend doing that.
Parce qu'on n'a pas eu de problème depuis. Donc, écoutez, je touche du bois. J'espère que vous n'allez pas me porter malheur pour la fin de la mission.
But since then, everything's been working fine in that regard. Touch wood. And I hope that so far it has not interfered with our conduct of the mission.
Dans le studio de France Info, le grand couturier Karl Lagerfeld, fou d'espace.
Well, here is on France Info a major fashion designer who's crazy about space. Hello. Well, of course, when you're up there floating in space, you move around, but do you also move when you're sleeping position? Yes, we become accustomed. Here we are in our sleeping bags. The bottom line is that you get an unbelievable feeling of liberty because you can touch all of the surfaces hardly without hardly an effort. It's a fantastic feeling in the end.
Karl, ça vous bluffe de pouvoir voir Thomas Pesquet comme ça face à nous dans la pesanteur?
Carl, how do you feel about being able to this could be Karl Lagerfeld as a guest. But I think that you have a charismatic personality, and I think that this is an added dimension that helps you be more effective in public role.
Vous aimeriez être à sa place?
Would you like to be in his place? Oh, maybe a little bit later. The training program is daunting, terrifying. So I'm not sure that I'd be able to qualify.
Je suis très flatté que Karl Lagerfeld s'inspire de l'espace.
Well, how do you feel about that, Thomas? Well, I'm very flattered that Karl Lagerfeld has a strong feeling for space. Here I am indicating my logos of the European Space Program, European Space Agency. But the fact is that space instills in many people a sense of the possibilities of exploration.
Karl Lagerfeld, vous auriez envie de relooker nos astronautes?
Mais je trouve qu'il est très bien. Hein. Il est très bien, mais je suis étonné qu'il est habillé comme on est habillé dans la vie.
Mr. Karl Lagerfeld, would you like to actually come up with some fashions for the astronauts? Well, what amazes me is that he's perfectly dressed up there in the space station the way he might be on Earth.
Non, c'est pas indiscret du tout. C'est vrai qu'on se promène en chaussettes toute la journée.
I see that you're wearing socks. I hope that's not an indiscreet comment. No, that's not an indiscreet comment. We regularly go about in our socks because that enables us to put our feet wherever we feel we need to without incurring any damage in our surroundings.
C'est vrai que ça demande à s'habituer un petit peu, mais ça lave très bien au final. C'est vrai qu'on a.
We also, for example, do other things that we become accustomed to, not just wearing socks, but the way we wash ourselves.
Ah, quand même, ça vous manque un peu.
But you do miss it a bit, don't you?
Vous manquez quand même un peu. Mais quand vous faites tous ces mouvements, ça ne demande aucun effort musculaire. Vous faites complètement comme si vous avez un papillon qui vole.
Would you say that looks like every effort that you make costs you absolutely no effort? You feel perhaps like a flying butterfly. Well, I can move myself, for example, with just a couple of fingers.
Donc au final c'est très pratique. Mais c'est vrai qu'il y a des choses qui manquent.
The bottom line, of course, is very practical to be able to move so easily. But of course, there are some things that we do miss.
Pas phénoménal. C'est un peu du camping. C'est plus proche du camping.
This is a little bit more like a camping experience than living in a home. It's a mission, of course, and so we know that it's a mission. We do what we have to. We adapt as we need to.
Une fois que je suis rentré au mois de juin.
When, of course, I come back in the month of June, then I'll readapt to life on Earth.
Une pièce comme ça chez moi où je flotte dans la pièce, j'aimerais assez.
I wish I had something like that at my home, something that would just float about like that globe that you've shown.
Nourriture et repas. Est-ce que vous savez quand même quand le matin ou le soir ou la nuit, puisque vous tournez tellement vite autour de la Terre qu'on doit perdre la notion.
About a question about your eating schedule, you know, your breakfast, your lunch, and dinner, you go so fast around the Earth. How do you actually regulate your eating times?
À 6 heures quand on se lève, on les éteint le soir vers 23 heures.
Well, we know that we get up at 6 o'clock. There are certain lights within the capsule that change in intensity, so we have a sense of night and day, sunrise, sunset. But we sleep very well, of course, and that's fundamental to feeling well. We have a rhythm of meals, of sunrise, sunset. Of course, that happens several times a day. As far as the sun is concerned, but nonetheless, we get into a regular routine, a daily schedule.
Vos travaux au sein de la station spatiale, vous avez réalisé une œuvre d'art. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous raconter ça?
Well, your work is something that is according to the state of the art. Can you tell us a little bit about your work?
L'exploration spatiale, c'est très scientifique, très technique.
Space exploration is very scientific and technical. There are military and test pilots who are up here as well.
L'ambassadeur de la société, de l'humanité dans l'espace, surtout le jour où on ira.
We are sort of the ambassadors of humanity here in space.
Littéraire, créatif, contemplatif, parce que.
We also are able to engage in literary, creative, contemplative activities.
Une œuvre d'art qui était évidemment, il y a beaucoup de contraintes. Elle a été faite à base de papier, parce qu'on peut pas transporter n'importe quoi dans
l'espace. The truth is, of course, you cannot take just anything with you. There's certain constraints along those lines. You can't bring a piece of paper with you to write on, for example.
D'entrouvrir la porte, tout un pan des activités humaines.
And yet there's a whole span of human activities that we're able to engage in, and we adapt to those that we cannot do. Another question from Karl Lagerfeld. What kind of exercise or sport do you do over a 6-month period? I'm also interested, when you eat, what do they give you to eat? What do you miss up in space that you would be able to eat on Earth? It's a good question. We do 2 hours of exercise a day. If we didn't do that, we would lose muscular mass. We would also lose bony mass, or bone mass. And so we have elastic or apparatus that we work with. We also have a bike, training bike. We always do 2 hours of sport on Earth to ensure that even after a long period in space, we can return to Earth. We return in good condition, physical condition. We mainly eat American or Russian fare, but I've also brought with me some French specialties. And so that I have a little bit of a French aspect to what I eat, and also I bring it out for special occasions such as Christmas, for example, New Year's, and I invite everybody to share in what I brought.
Merci, Karl Lagerfeld. Vous restez avec nous. Hein. Vous revenez dans quelques
Thank you,
minutes.
Karl Lagerfeld. You'll remain with us for a few minutes, will you not? Yes.
Sauf imprévu, vous revenez sur Terre le 2 juin prochain. Comment est-ce que vous vous y préparez?
You're going to be back on Earth 2nd of June, next June 2nd. How do you prepare for that? Well, physically, as we've just discussed, I continue to do exercise and sports activities. Our body, of course, has weighed nothing for a matter of several months, and I'm concerned that when I get back to Earth, of course, I'd feel a crushing gravitational weight, and this is how we head off that feeling to be sure that we're prepared for return to Earth. And of course, as we come into space, we've had to adapt to it. The brain, for example, has disconnected certain synapses and connections.
Et puis voilà, il va falloir aussi être le cobaye d'expériences scientifiques. Je le suis.
We also, of course, are guinea pigs for scientific experimentation.
Avec leurs aiguilles pour des prises de sang.
And the doctors are waiting for me on Earth with their needles, so they'll be testing my blood and doing radiographies or X-rays.
D'un mot, vous avez pris 2 cm. Est-ce que vous allez les conserver sur Terre ou pas?
Well, you've added 2 inches of height. Will you retain that when you get back to Earth?
Sur Terre, parce que moi, j'avais toujours rêvé d'être joueur de basket quand j'étais petit.
Well, when I was a little boy, I always dreamed to be a basketball player. I wish I could keep up, retain the added height that I've taken on, but I don't think I'll be able to. And that's a dream that I was unable to realize. But I have to be very careful. For example, my backbone, vertebral column, has actually lengthened, and I need to be careful not to strain it when I get back to Earth.
Est-ce que cette mission vous a donné envie d'essayer d'aller un jour sur Mars et est-ce que c'est possible?
Have you developed from this mission a desire to go to Mars? Is that possible? Well, of course, we are desirous of going much further. Mars is an initial step. For sure, neither I nor my colleagues have ever been there, but we don't actually sit in an ivory tower. We're interested in extending the reach of what we've done so far. We're happy to go to a place where no one's ever gone. That's quite an experience. If we go to Mars, for example, we will be able to send a human team. Will it be too late for me whether or not? I don't know. 15 years from now, if I can stay active physically and add to my experience, maybe I'll qualify. If they send me, I'll be happy to go. But the important thing is not necessarily that it's me, but that we, in fact, do go. Somebody does go to further the program.
Thomas Pesquet, vous connaissez maintenant photographe, saxophoniste, ceinture de judo.
Let's see, you're a photographer, a saxophone player, a judo player, or a judo athlete. How do you define yourself?
Non, mais c'est sûr que sur la biographie officielle, on marque les choses bien. C'est sûr qu'on va pas.
Well, of course, in the official biography, we clearly mark the things that we do or enjoy.
Pourtant, c'est vrai.
But it's true.
Saxophoniste, je suis vraiment un très piètre.
I'm really a poor saxophonist.
Saxophoniste du dimanche, photographe du dimanche.
As far as photographer, well, I'm just sort of a Sunday afternoon photographer.
Vraiment pas très bien, donc tout ça c'est bien sur le papier.
Well, these of course are on the biographical sheet of paper, but it's not that I'm an expert in any of these areas.
Sans doute quelques années, ça me permet de me perfectionner.
I'm sure that over the period of the upcoming years, if I continue to maintain my interest, I'll be able to perfect to some degree my abilities in those regards.
Thomas Pesquet, on va vous remercier, un grand merci.
Thomas Pesquet, we're going to give you a great big thank you. And thank you also, Mr. Karl Lagerfeld, for having participated in our interview. Well, up there's no dust, is there? Everything seems so clean up at the space station.
Oui,
yes.
On a emmené malheureusement des microbes avec nous, mais on
we unfortunately have brought some microbes with us, but we try to protect ourselves. We're not completely antiseptic, but there are certain control features and equipment in the space station that help us keep things at a sufficiently high level of cleanliness.
Bonne chance, hein?
Et bonne chance pour la fin de la mission.
Thank you very much for the rest of the way, Mr. Thomas Pesquet. Thank you, Mr. Lagerfeld.
Merci.
Thanks again.
Station, this is Houston ACR. That concludes the event.
Merci, and thank you all participants with the European Space Agency. We are now resuming operational audio communications.